This is the Griffon, Hasegawa's 120 scale kit. One of the more structurally interesting builds in the Ma.K lineup. The Griffon is the bis variant of the FALKE. Bis, like biscuit, one syllable. It's a designation borrowed from military aviation. Not a deluxe version, a revised production standard. Second generation of the same lineage. I contributed to the box art design and wrote the lore text on the back of this kit. My name's on it. So when this one crossed the bench, it wasn't just a new build. It was something I'd already spent some time inside at a different level. This is where it ended up. The Workbench Edition documents the full build. And right now, the kit is on pre-order through Studio, link below. Here's what's in the box. A lot of space along with our plastic parts. One of our gags is that the box is for keeping the dust off, etc. because the box here is crazy big. The parts look like big chunks of a lobster, don't they? We've got the fuselage, half, the main body, etc., including the Yakult bottle, ping pong balls for the anti-gravity system, seat engine, figure inside there, a bunch of decals, and the Excimer laser cannon. Cool. Bottom half of the lobster, very nifty. Suggested paint schemes on the card and the decal sheet. And finally the instructions are at the bottom. Now, as this is the Griffon version of the kit, it's the third iteration of the FALKE, so there's a couple of little nuances. For one thing here, we can see the decals for this kit are unique and feature the Griffon, which is that mythical beast. And it also happens to be one of the advanced versions of the Spitfire, which is very popular. With all aviation guys, but in particular, Koyokama Sensei loves the Griffon and loves the Spitfire all around. That's one of the reasons he, of course, is paying a homage to the Spitfire Griffon with this version. I've got some cool ideas for a unique mashup with this decal set and some of the previous ones to make a kind of cool, unique unit. Some of the earlier paint schemes have seen a revision here to be upgraded to the Griffon. I'll quickly now show you also some of the parts that you'll need to keep an eye on to make sure if you're making an authentic cannon version of, say, the Excimer or the Griffon. It's not hugely important. It's your model. You can make it however you like. But if you're making, and one more thing I'd like to point out is that you cannot make the original, the first version of the FALKE with this kit. It does not include the Gatling gun, which you would need. But what it does include the early version of the ailerons, the control surfaces here, which you could use for either of the first version or the Excimer version. The improved electronic countermeasures pod that will be on the from the front, so I'd say the port boom on the FALKE. This is not included in the first version of the FALKE. And other parts that would change are the Excimer laser cannon here, but also you can do the flat interceptor version. That's what this is. That will replace this part on some versions as you prefer. Also, there's the this is still included. We also call this an electronic countermeasures pod that can be included on some different versions. Then for the Excimer, and I believe the Griffon is considered a faster, more upgraded version. That's what this side of the runner is related to. So we've got upgraded and slightly more aerodynamic. They also look a little bit more armoured, don't they? Control surfaces here, an up armoured cockpit with very nifty details here, a sand filter here, and a this is very similar to the input that we would see on some of the advanced mercenary suits It's a optical import that it gives the FALKE a little bit more life too. And in the backstory we have it such that the optical inputs like this are then put straight through to the optic nerve of the pilot, giving him a better all-around view and vision. That's kind of cool. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. They're the basic differences and upgrades here for the third iteration of the FALKE, the Griffon. And next up, I'll be getting into it, get on with the build, and I'll share more with you shortly. The GRIFFON Workbench Edition is available now, ships immediately. The kit is on pre-order. Link in the description for both.